Hello and welcome to this part of tutorial in which we will learn about debugging a program. First question is, what is debugging? Debug is made up of two words, D and bug. You can break it in two rather. D and bug. A bug in a program actually means an error. Typically, syntactical error will be caught by Eclipse. For example, if I say this, it will show you that it has got problems. It's a syntactical error. However, logical errors, which are fine by the programming rules, but not fine by the logic of the program, will cause programs to behave in a wrong fashion. Then you need to remove that error or debug the program. To debug a program, you need to have debug build. So we select debug build. The reason for having debug build is the program symbol table is not available in release build. The way to generate debug build from command line is you pass -g switch, -g. For example, let us consider this program. There is not much in this program, but still we can learn the basics. We have our debug build as active. Now you see this icon. It says debug first program.exe. Debug first program.exe. So then we go to run, then we say debug. Okay, it will open the new perspective, debug perspective. Okay, so it shows first program.c. This pane is your thread pane. Which pane is being executed? Which thread is being executed? So there are several files which are in use. And this pane has got many things: breakpoints, registers, modules. So many DLLs are loaded by this program. This is for examining CPU registers. This AX, EAX, ECX, EDX syntax is gas syntax, GNU assembler syntax. We have a breakpoint at line number 6. Okay. Now we'll see what a breakpoint is. This is for variables. Okay, let's go to plain mode again. And we put a breakpoint here. So right click and toggle breakpoint. A breakpoint is a place where you want to stop the execution and you want to do something. So let's go to again and we select debug again. Okay. So you see this. This is our first program. Okay, we are running actually many sessions. Okay, so let's select the latest one. Shouldn't have on this. Okay, now there are some icons here. It says terminate, suspend, resume, disconnect, step into, step over, step return, and so on. So let's say we terminate this, and we terminate this one also, and we terminate this one also. So we terminated all. We now start a fresh one. Okay. So it complains it cannot find the source file, right? So if you want to locate the file, you can locate manually. It is trying to find somewhere else. So we have located the file. We have our breakpoint here. Now let us step into this program. Now we have this over here, right? So you do not see any variable. We have not declared any variable over here, right? You can see breakpoint in first program.c line 14. Over here we have a breakpoint. If you click on this, it will take you there. You need to double click. Okay, let's do a small modification. Index equal to 5. Just write it for the sake of it. And we should terminate this one. And then we say debug. Did it twice. It will run 2 threads. Okay. So now we see it is getting stuck at this point. Now the breakpoint is here. You also see the variable. It has some garbage value. So we say step into. See, did you see that? The value changed. It became 5. So this is how you examine your program. As you will progress, you will learn how to use Eclipse and how to use this debugger feature. Sometimes you will not have GUI access. So how to do debugging from command line. So we are in this place where our code is. So we compile. We gave the option -G and type file name. Okay. Now we say GDB. You will get the GDB prompt. Then we say file .exe. So it will read. To put a breakpoint, I can say bmain. It will put a breakpoint at that line number 14. If you want to put a line number at specific file, then you can put like this: b space filename : 15. So it adds another breakpoint, and then you say run. Okay. So you see at line number 14 you have a breakpoint. If you want to see the source code, you can type list command. So it will show you few lines from top and few lines from bottom. The breakpoint is at line number 14 at the moment. And to continue, you say continue. Now, how to get help inside GDB? So you type GDB help. So it shows you many things. So let's say we need help on breakpoints. So see, there are so many options, and let's say for example a watch. So I say help watch. So it will give you the help. What I'll suggest you for learning GDB, you go to GNU website, and from there you download the GDB manual, which is available for free, and you go through it, and it will help you immensely to learn GDB as a debugger. So that's it for debugging for this session. We'll see you in next session. Happy coding.